the brand can have like some sort of an environmental claim because again, it's a chain of custody. So the chain should not be broken somewhere in the supply chain process. So
Mm.
another thing, another option to consider a paper as a sustainable material is to look after what type of materials are they using.
Mm.
So um, it's either they look for alternative fibers or alternative to plastic. When I say that it's alternative fibers, is that it's actually replacing some components or some raw materials using other materials. Let's say, for example, instead of using just pulp, they use actually cotton, they use bamboo, and now the trend globally is really to use agri waste.